Hey there, what's up? This is Neil Napier, and in this video I'm going to walk you through AISellers. But before I get to AISellers and explain what that is, let me tell you what most business owners struggle with at this point in time. AI has made it quite easy for you to go in and request whatever marketing assets you need for your business. You can go and ask for emails, for blog posts, for any other kind of written content. But then there's other kind of content, videos, for example, right now that are hard to come by. But it's not just that. A lot of the times that the content you need to create can be incoherent, and then you need to create a lot of prompts, you need to ask for a lot of things, fine-tune things, and it can become a little bit of a mess. So as with anything related to technology, what technology advancement has done is it's made it easier for people like you and me to create good content. But it still needs a lot of steps. It still needs a lot of human input. So the problem that AISellers solves is that it makes it easy for you to create not just one, but as you will soon see, multiple types of AI content with just a few clicks. So you just come in, give it the requirements, and based on a ton of data that it has collected over the years from things that work, it's able to create not just blog articles for you, but also social media posts, as well as emails or ads, or even videos, as you will soon see. And right now there's a very special deal going on for AISellers, for which you can find the link at the bottom of this video. But let's go ahead and let me walk you through exactly how AISellers works and how you can use it in your business as well. So this software comes from Abhi Dwivedi. He's a good friend of mine, and what I like about the work that he does is that it's actually quite neatly laid out. So you get about 500 projects depending on the kind of license that you're getting, and you can of course watch a tutorial video. But let's go and create a new project from scratch right now. You've got a few different ways in which you can create this content. You can either give a bit of description about what it is you want to create. So one of our software is called Melvio, and I could use this to create content for that particular business. I could also import it from website URL. I could upload my own media, so a JPEG file, PDF, PNG, all those things if you wanted to summarize a PDF or get some more information out of it. And you can also upload your own video files. This, by the way, is what I like the most, because if I've done a training video in the past, I can just upload it and ask it to create more written content or more video content based on that. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and import content from a website. So let's go ahead and type in Melvio. And I could choose whether it's a non-e-commerce URL or e-commerce URL. In this case, it's a non-e-commerce. So I'm going to import it. And what it does now is it goes to that URL and extracts all the relevant information out of it, which is really good, because then next when I'm creating content, I have everything that I needed to know to create the right kind of content for me. Okay, so that's just done. Now the cool part here is I can give it more information. So what I'm creating here is a knowledge brain. So I can give it my support desk URL. I could give it my blog URL, so all the blog articles are covered as well. This way, what I'm doing is I'm creating a knowledge brain which could be used to extract all the information my customers need at any given point in time. And now I can switch over from the knowledge brain to the assets part, where I can come in, I can create ebooks, landing pages, video opt-in pages, blog article, ads with a single click. Let's go and create ourselves an ebook. So I'm going to choose an ebook name. And a title, so I'm just going to call it the same thing, and country and the language I'm targeting. Let's go ahead and create this. And then I can choose one of the templates that I like. For me, because it's a business focused ebook, I'm just going to go for something which shows growth. Let's go for something like this, shows forward movement, and create. So now what it's doing behind the scenes is it's creating a video for me based on all the assets that I fed into it. I could do the same thing for landing pages, I could do the same thing for opt-in pages, blog articles, and ads as well. So this is a really good way for you to come in and add as much training data as you want to add. And for that campaign, then you can start creating assets. It could be ebooks, it could be landing pages, videos, and everything. Let's go ahead and create a video actually. So I'm going to go and create a video. So I'll use the same one. And I could choose standard YouTube videos, or you could choose TikTok style videos as well. And I'll just go for TikTok organic videos, and then go ahead and make it an informative video and go and create. So I'll let it do its thing. Now what it's doing behind the scenes is it's creating all that information for you. If I want to go ahead and update my knowledge base brain, I can do that as well. Like I said, I can go ahead and add the blog. And this way you can add as many URLs as you want, just everything that explains about your business. So now it's not just being trained on the regular data that sits outside, but it's being trained on your data. So the outcome, the output that it gives to you now is going to be so much more effective. So that's what you do to create tons of assets for your business by training up this AI sellers on your data, which, like I said, is much better than training it on random generic data online. So get this application. It's a very cool software. It's been around for a good few months now, probably a year, and it's going to continue to be serviced by Abhi and his team for a long, long time to come.